now you can make it as long as you want. So once you make it as long as you want, you just grab the bottom rubber band, you pull it to the top, and do it around the whole entire thing. And then with the next rubber band, you take one of them and bring it to the side. Then you bring your next one and bring it to the other side. So now it's like that. So then you get your next rubber band, and then you push this down, and you put it on top, and you bring the bottom one over, and the other bottom one over, and then you grab your C-clip, and you bring that off, and you put it around your fingers, and then connect it like that. And then you take the other side and you put it on your fingers. You take the C-clip and connect it again. So then you take this side and you grab one of the sides of the 8 from each one, and you just put it all on the peg. Okay. And now you just put it in your finger, stretch it out, but don't do it too much because the rubber bands might break. So you can take some off if you can't fit them all. So I'm just going to take 2 off. I'm going to use 2. And you just attach it to the C-clip, and then you got your mini Hexafish rainbow.